so warm the past few days. You know that's not normal. You
It's
know
not
that's
gonna go
not
up.
going to last. It's going down this weekend. They're actually going to settle back to what is average for this time of year, which is high temperatures only in the 50s. But considering how warm it's been, I think it's going to be a little shock to the system for you tomorrow as this cooler air works on in. It's going to come with a gusty breeze as well. So definitely trending cooler as we get into the weekend. It's chillier out there this morning compared to the past few mornings. A lot of us down in the 30s, near freezing. Orange to Jaffrey, Norwood, Bedford, Vineyard, all sitting at 33 degrees. It is 48 right now in Boston. Got this little batch of some cloud cover working on through. These are moving through very quickly this morning, but as the sun comes up, it's adding some nice color to the sunrise this morning. Watching a cold front to the north. Out ahead of it, we have a gusty westerly wind today. Behind this front, we'll have a gusty northwesterly wind tomorrow, and that is going to pull in some chillier air. So you can see over the next 12 hours, we'll have a lot of sunshine here. Temperatures do come up into the lower 60s, but that breeze is going to be active today for sure, gusting over 30 miles per hour at times. And that is contributing to a red flag warning today. Considering the dry conditions we have, you add the wind, and it is a high fire danger today. Keep that in mind. 60s, low to mid 60s this afternoon. Warmest just in a few suburbs south of town, about 64 Boston. It's close still to 10 degrees above average, but again, we'll settle back tomorrow as we see that wind shift from the west to the northwest this evening, and that is going to come with just a period of clouds. As that front drops in, it's starved for moisture, so nothing more than a sprinkle. Otherwise, it's clearing overnight, and we do drop down by the morning into the low to mid 30s, upper 30s even in Boston. Much cooler tomorrow. Look at these highs, only in the low 50s, upper 40s out through the Worcester Hills. Colder but sunny on your Saturday. Clouds increase on Sunday, and look at this, some showers. They will come in the overnight hours Sunday into the wee hours of Monday morning. It's not a lot of rain. Maybe we squeak out a quarter of an inch, but that's about the extent of it, at least with this round. But during the weekend, Saturday into Sunday, dry at least during the day. Happy Friday. It has been a warm week around here, but we are trending cooler as we get into the weekend. Not as mild today, still low to mid 60s, sunshine, gusty breeze. That wind is going to gust out of the west near and over 30 miles per hour. We do have red flag warnings up today for that high fire danger. Cooling down tonight though, a northwesterly wind brings in chillier air for your Saturday. So we're only in the low 50s on Saturday, more seasonable for November. But with the sun and a gusty wind, it's going to feel quite a bit cooler to you on Saturday. It's the brighter weekend day, more clouds on Sunday. We actually have a chance at some showers Sunday night into the first part of Veterans Day on Monday. Friday to you. It has been a warm week around here. 70s, one day in the 80s here in November. Finally, some cooler air is going to come on in this weekend with a dip in the jet stream. You can see it kind of poised to our north. It'll be settling in over the course of the next 24 hours. So we will still see the temperatures jump today into the low to mid 60s with sunshine before some clouds come in this evening and shift our winds around. Notice we're going for a high of around 60 in Worcester, low 60s on the Cape, 64 in Boston. This is still a good 10 degrees or so above average for this time of year, but I think this is the last day that we're looking at these above average temperatures, at least into the weekend. It's going to come today with a red flag warning because it has been so dry lately. We are running a good 6 inches behind where we typically are since September 1st for rainfall in Boston. Our rainfall deficit in Worcester is more than 8 inches, so the ground is super dry, the air is dry, and look at these winds today. We're gusting over 30 miles per hour today from the west, and then tonight we're going to see those winds shift around, and tomorrow we're going to be breezy as well, but that wind is coming around to the northwest, so that red flag warning up today. We're watching this front to the north. This is the cold front that is going to usher in that wind shift and bring in some chillier air for Saturday. It comes through with just some passing clouds this evening. Any sprinkles dropping from northern New England should dry up, and we'll go clear in the overnight hours as we drop down into the 30s. So it is a colder start for us coming up on Saturday morning, and you will feel the chill on Saturday. It is more seasonable with sunny skies, a gusty breeze, but with high temperatures only in the upper 40s to low 50s, it is going to be noticeably cooler than the past few days, and you are definitely going to feel the chill out there for sure. Saturday is your sunnier weekend day. We're watching the system to the west. It is trying to bring us some rain as we get towards Sunday night, but it's going to hold off during the day. So if you are taking part in the Boston Half Marathon, it looks like the clouds will be increasing as the race gets started at 8 a.m. It'll be chilly, near 40 degrees. We'll come up into the low 50s with thickening clouds by by late morning. You can see through 5 p.m. rain is still to our west, but it comes in the form of a few showers overnight, and they will kick out first thing on Monday morning. So starting out a little damp on Veterans Day, not a ton of rain. Maybe we sneak out a quarter of an inch out of this. It's not a lot, but it is something in this dry pattern. We'll clear things out behind that, get back some sunshine, and then bring in another chance for some showers late next week, Thursday